Relationship Rewire. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh, and I have a new module that's being added to the 90-day complete essential guide online program that I offer you to quit porn for good and establish a life of integrity that you can thrive in and reach your full potential. Now, why have I added Relationship Rewire? Well, by popular demand, and I love to see it. Many men have reached out who are in the program, and although there's one lesson, they wanted more information on how they can become their best selves, which then becomes a reflection of their best relationship, helping their partner to become the best version of themselves. And you know what that equals? That equals a happy, loving relationship with awesome sex. So I've added a new module with 10 lessons. It's complete. It is a deep dive into how you can attract a healthy partner and keep one. And especially if porn or sexual acting out has entered into your relationship and ruptured it, this module is going to help you repair it, reestablish trust so you can ride off into the sunset with your honey. So if you're thinking about getting into the program, now's the time, because with the switch of the new year, the price is going to be increased. And if you get in now, you can get it at the lower price. All right, I hope to see you in the program so that not only can you establish the foundation that you need to live an awesome life, you can have a healthy relationship too. Okay, as always, control your brain or it'll control you.